Alright, how to do you guys? It's been a hot minute since I've created content. If you guys are new here, my name is Groce. Yes, Groce isn't nasty. You're welcome. You'll never forget it. With that being said, also very different experience with the background. I no longer have my green screen because I was tired of being in the spaceship. Okay, deal with it. That being said, let me see. What does this? Let me read the script. I don't know what the fuck this shit. I'm tired of reading. AI has cooked my brain. That being said, if you have been here, thank you for your patience. It's been quite a crazy last 4 years. In the future content, I will explain all the things. But essentially, if you're new, my name is Brandon Groce. I'm a designer, builder, educator, and over the past few years, I have built a 7-figure content business focused on creative and design space. Not in that space. Space. No, okay. I have been in the space for quite some time, 10 plus years. I've stopped counting because it's too high of a number. All right, guys. So we'll do 10. Nice, even, delicious. So in my career of the 10 years of being designer, builder, content creator, and educator, I've worked with brands such as Disney, Dannon, Hilton, Adobe, Wix. I'd probably need more fingers for this. A ton, okay? I've worked with LG, Dribble, Lottie Files, Jitter, Rive, and many more, okay? I've been in the streets of design for quite some time. So that's kind of where I have been, and I've what's it called? Disappeared because it was just a lot of work, okay? Your boy is tired. That's why he's bald. All that hair that I had before the last video, we've been disintegrated to this. I'm still looking good though, leave me alone. And basically all I'm trying to let you know, guys, is that I have quite the array of experience in design, and I'm really just very excited to get back to sharing yet again my trials, tribulations, wins, losses, and really what I'm looking forward to learning for myself, and hopefully gives you guys a great grounds of what to do and what not to do when you're trying to build really cool things on the internet, or whether that be doing jiu-jitsu or what have you. Let me I made bullet points, guys. You know I had to do this because you know I'm like borderline illiterate. So let me see. Let me scroll through my ChatGPT bullet list. I need a script. I think basically helping these companies, these brands, help reach, educate, and grow their real creative audiences. And everything I share on this platform and have shared on this platform is things that I've actually gone through and experienced to share really my journey so that you guys can learn what to do and what not to do. And just to clue you guys in on what it is that I've built and why I have been quiet for about like 4 years of time. I've built my community called Newform in partnership with Wix Studio. It was a 4-year stint of just how can we drive as much traffic to our community to generate masterminds and just amazing creatives in the Wix Studio ecosystem. That was honestly a very amazing experience. I was able to build the community to over 14,000 designers. I was able to build up another Instagram account called Daily Web Designs. It took me quite some time to build this platform up. And across our social media, we reach about, between our Instagram and our Pinterest page, we reach about 4.5 million creatives each and every month who see our curated and created design education, inspiration, and experiments. And honestly, I took a big break because this was a huge opportunity for me and a lot of learning that I wanted to jump in a way that I wanted to take my business. But now, kind of back. And so I'm excited to reignite the conversation with you guys. And hopefully you guys, with your patience, reignite the conversation with me. But you guys messaged me such sweet messages and like, how you been? Where you been? What have you been doing? When are we gonna see your face again? Some of you guys trying to take like a flight to come see my ass. It's nice to receive those and see that I guess you guys have learned something in the past couple of years. Me producing content. It's not just me talking alone in the bedroom, which that totally feels like, but you guys actually get a lot of value out of this, and it makes me feel good, and it makes me feel that learning by myself in the bedroom helps other people on the internet. So with that being said, why I'm back? Because there's so many new things like AI. There's new things that I'm learning in finance, and also I'm back in jiu-jitsu, and I really want to be able to share more things than just design on my social channels. I want to be able to share what cool things I'm creating online or even just digitally. Maybe some of that stuff is outside of the web design realm, but I'm pretty sure it probably will still be in that realm. I want to share a little bit more about my jiu-jitsu journey. I've been in Brazilian jiu-jitsu since I was the age of 8. and it's been a big part of my life, and I want to be able to share trials and tribulations and just lessons I have in that arena that I feel like is honestly probably even more so on the pedestal than design. And then I also want to share a little bit more about how I feel about finance, or what I've learned in finance that has really benefited me as well. So more things that I'm excited by versus just like, goddamn, I gotta open up Figma again. I'm gonna die. And to be quite honest, I feel like I'm so happy about AI because I do not have to sit in Figma forever to build some stuff. I can literally just talk to AI to have things built, and I'm very excited to share my journey in building not only Newform and how I built that platform from scratch by myself simply by using a tool called Base 44, and also another tool that I've built as well called Newform Studio, which is essentially an AI mockup tool where you get to upload your work and simply choose a vibe or an inspiration or a feel of how you would like that work mocked up. Once you hit OK and you've selected your two things, it will smash the two together and really just give you many stylized ways to represent your work in seconds. So I'm very appreciative of what AI has allowed us to do. I want to share how empowered all creatives can be and my process in which I've been able to create work that would probably in the real world of maybe just 1 or 2 years ago, how expensive what it is that I built in just 1 to 2 months alongside playing video games. So there's a lot of things that I want to share in the changing landscape of design. There's a lot of things that I want to share with you guys to get back to my educational roots. So essentially what I'm saying is I'm going to be building in public. That's how I started this channel, sharing my knowledge, and also you guys like the goofy me, so I'm going to put that back out there. So it's going to be a lot of me exploring what's working, what's not, what doesn't, a lot of fucking up as well. And I just want to be all about design, creativity, jujitsu, mindset, finance, and crypto, because we gotta we gotta get up in there. But there's also a lot of financial decisions that I've made over the past couple of years that has allowed me quite the, we'll say, comfort that I want to share, and that I guess I am realizing not a lot of other people know about or would benefit by knowing. And I would like to just share tips and tricks. I'm not gonna be Mr. Finance guy, okay? Listen, I did not finish college. Just remember that. I'm your boy on the internet. You got it. Okay? I'm just sharing my experience. Please know that, a disclaimer. But basically, everything that shapes how I think, how I build, and I'd love to share that with you guys. So if that sounds like the kind of journey you would like to be on, whether it's for the laughs, for the builds, for the zest, what have you, it would be awesome to have you along for the journey. And I'm glad to be back. With that being said, that's your boy. I'd love to have you stick around. And if you do, don't forget to follow if you haven't, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and join the Newform community. Would love to have you there, and also try out the Newform Studio. With that being said, your boy Brandon, your favorite designer, builder, educator, and part-time comic is out, working on the comic piece. But I'm excited to be back. Let's get to building. Oh, I forgot how to stop the recording.